Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. We're here to see how this amp rack is gonna fit in. You know, I haven't got really started on it yet, but I had it up. I got it up in there, and it fits pretty decent. But I got the thing about it, I have a oh yeah, and I gotta get that back fixed too, of course. So still, it's a little decent amount of work to do. Shouldn't take me long. I just got to make another couple grounds. I had covered up the grounds by mistake with the Dynamat. So let's go back here and check out this truck real quick. All right. Looks like a mess up in here, of course. And what I might do, I'm gonna change these screws too, of course. Yeah. So y'all see everything. Now it's just time to get to work. Yeah, y'all, we back. Man, I am so sorry for the delay, y'all. I mean, it's just been a lot of bad stuff happening, you know, like my tire went flat, and I found out I needed new tires. I could have did a video on that, but I figured it would have been a waste of time for that. It's nothing related to car audio, but right now, you know, we're about to get started. And I know y'all seen the intro that I just did, you know, the intro, but you know, I mean, maybe I can get it over a little bit more, you know. Yeah, it's gonna come along good though. It's in the car. I want to see how much room I got left, you know, if I can just put the box in there. But let me go ahead and get started, man. I don't got too much time to waste today, so give me a minute. All right, y'all, we are getting there. I had to sit down and relax because I had to move in both of those batteries. Man, hurting my back. They heavy. But all right, got it up in there. That's how they look. I mean, the amp rack is working, you know. Just want to see how many inches we got. So let's see, we need at least 20. And we're barely hitting 20, but I think it's gonna work out perfectly. You know, if I can just get that board up just a little bit closer. But other than that, man, it's hard to push it when you got snow under your feet. So I was trying to push it on there, and I just kept sliding on the snow. But let's keep it going. We almost finished. And I'll probably just come back and just show you guys how it look all together with the woofers. I'm going to put the woofers in there today, but I still will have to, you know, set the amp and everything and get everything together, you know. But it's coming out good. It's coming out good. I should have cut this power wire down, but I don't even want to cut it down because you never know. You never know. But all right, we will be back. You know, and then y'all can check out the brackets too. The brackets are gonna hold it up in there. Then I'm just gonna drill it down. It's so heavy and so stiff. It's not really going nowhere. I mean, I can't feel it moving nowhere. But let me go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get this job finished. We're gonna see. I'm gonna see you guys in the dark probably, because it'll probably be dark by the time I get to my box. All right, guys, we got it hooked up. Maybe the batteries went down low, on the charge. Trying to see if we can get a good look at it. There it is. The numbers are now we can see the numbers a little bit better now. I mean, came out pretty nice, guys. Just goes to show you, you know, when you create stuff, you know, never doubt yourself, you know. It's gonna look a lot better in the dark though. You know, I think the batteries could use a little charging because they've been sitting around. Maybe I should have charged them up before I put them in there. But my boy did mention that. It just went in one ear and out the other. But, you know, the voltmeters is still saying 14.4. I don't know if we can see that. Oh yeah, we gotta wait for it to change. This thing just changes to different numbers. I don't even know what the numbers mean, the other numbers. Only numbers I look for is the U. And so when a U pop up, that's supposed to be, there it is. That's supposed to be my volts. All right. We'll catch y'all back in a second for y'all can see how these woofers look inside of here. Oh shoot, we back. Yeah. Like I told y'all, it was gonna be dark by the time we get a chance to get the speakers. It's just such an anticipation, man. It's been like 3 weeks since I had them in the car, so. But we're on our way to go get them, man. I always like to take y'all on a little ride sometime. We can't do the bumping ride today, you know, but we will have another one coming, of course, you know. So, all right, then I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be back. All right, YouTube, we're in. It's not a whole lot of room. I mean, I would like for it to go back just a little bit more, but that's it, man. Just to keep them batteries from on the side. But now I can put stuff on the side too now. Now I got more storage room over here. It's kind of dark right now, so I put more kill mat right here too, of course. I want to see how it's gonna sound. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up in a minute. But I will come back. Let's see how it looks. I will come back and do a demo for you guys. I'll do a demo on the next video. That way we can talk about some things to come. But other than that, man, it's been great, man. I'm sorry for the wait again. You know, I know it took a little time. You know, it's just been a little bit busy with work. I called a blowout tire and stuff and put new tires on here. So, but everything to be all right, y'all. Everything is just gonna be okay. You know, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.